Walking into the garden, I can sit, feel tranquil, relaxed. It gives me a chance to sit and read or just meditate. You know, it's like you're in a different place.
Even with the other noise from the traffic going by, you can just stand there and think about things, about things that grow. And it's really very calming and very spiritual.
See nature, like you see green, you see flowers, you see grass, you see dirt. It was always there, but I never really actually took physical contact towards it.
Every time I came into this garden, I found peace. I relaxed, I changed my attitude, and I walked out with a different attitude.
What used to sit at the spot where the Unity Garden is now was an old apartment building. After a period of time, it became kind of deteriorated. Their parishioners at Most Blessed Sacrament, which is the Catholic Church across the street from the garden, all got together and signed a petition to have the apartment building torn down. But once the building was torn down, it just became this vacant lot.
I decided to start the garden because it had been desolate for so long and filled with trash and waste. One night, as we were leaving the meeting at Most Blessed Sacrament, I just looked over here and said, my, that would make a beautiful flower garden.